forecast because we've had a lot happening in the early morning hours. What you need to know, our severe weather threat is now over. Early this morning, we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings, watches. That is now over with. We're not expecting any more severe weather for the rest of the day, though we could have some lingering showers this morning and even into the afternoon. Then as we go throughout the day, we'll eventually turn drier and we'll see more sunshine. Right now, though, a lot of us are not dealing with thunderstorms. Here's that line of thunderstorms that we were tracking very early this morning, now beginning to push off into the Gulf, moving away from the coastal bend and South Texas. Some lingering showers in Alice, Hebbronville, some heavier rainfall just south of Jim Hogg County, and then some heavier rainfall beginning to push towards Orange Grove. But this is definitely a different scene than what we've had compared to the past couple of hours. Things are much calmer now that that front and that line of storms has pushed through. That's when we had gusty winds. Now we're starting to quiet down. Outside from our Coastal Parks Beach Camp, things are looking mostly cloudy, and we'll continue that cloud cover throughout the morning. Again, a couple of lingering showers. Then late afternoon, early evening, we may get a touch more humidity, which could lead to some bubbling showers, but the overall coverage for today is going to be right around 10%, so not everyone is going to see rain. Late afternoon, early evening as well, as we'll start to get some of that cloud cover clearing, leading to mostly sunny conditions for the second half of the day. It's the first half of the day that will have mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions. And then as we go into the rest of the afternoon, our winds will pick up out of the north-northeast at about 15 miles per hour at times. So because of that northerly component of the wind, we're going to be much cooler than what we've had over the past couple of days. High temperatures today, low and mid 80s. Winds today out of the north-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, our wind gradually begins to change direction, so that's going to warm us up. Our temperatures tomorrow now into the upper 80s and low 90s, especially low 90s west and northwest of the city. We may have one or two isolated showers tomorrow. Otherwise, it's going to be hot, mostly sunny, and that trend continues into Wednesday and Thursday. Hot, mostly sunny, to where we're going to warm up into the 90s on Wednesday. So today and tomorrow, it's just an isolated rain chance. Very, very low chance of rainfall. Otherwise, this afternoon, we'll eventually see that sunshine. Mostly sunny for Tuesday. Wednesday, plenty of sunshine. A high temperature of 90 degrees. We'll continue the upper 80s and low 90s for the rest of the work week going into the weekend, with our winds picking up Friday through the weekend.